What up, y'all? We back with another one. Today we are fixing the AC. I figured out what was wrong with it. So this here, the little tannish piece you guys looking at, this right here was all jacked up. Yeah, so eventually I know I'm gonna have to replace the whole piece, but we just gonna do a quick fix to see if that's what's gonna fix it or whatnot. But yeah, if anybody know what this piece is called, drop it in the comment section. Highly appreciate it. But yeah, man, I'm finna tape this mud all up. Got my electrical 3M tape right there, and we gonna see what it does. Catch y'all in a hot second. All right, y'all. Back with another one. As you can see, I got it put on there. It ain't the best tape job, but it is what it is. About to go up in here, see what it do. 1 second. All right, back in the Merc. Make sure my radio down. Well, guess I just possibly popped the fuse for that. There we go. Came on. Cut that down. Max AC. See what happens around here. Now, ain't no dash lights on. It's just a fasten seatbelt. My bad for the noise, y'all, but let's go make sure that clutch going. And let me let this window down before I lock my dang on keys in there. Yes, sir. Clutch came on down there. I don't know if y'all can see it right here. Around here. That clutch is spinning right there. Eventually we'll start replacing all this stuff, man, because it look all old and stuff. But for right now, we just gonna ride with it. So I'm gonna hop up in here. I just went to my O'Reilly's around here. Yeah, she blowing. I just went to the O'Reilly's and I took and bought this value pack of fuses. And I'm gonna go up under here, check and see what's going on. Make sure all the fuses are intact. Make sure ain't none popped or anything like that. Because I do know when I'm driving at night, the lights illuminate, I guess that's what it's called. These do not light up. So I'm gonna check my book and see what's going on with it. You know, got the Merc book. Make sure y'all hold on to those so you ain't gotta go online to find stuff. But if that's the way you gotta do it, it is what it is. So yeah, we finna flip through this book, catch up with some things, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. It's Mercury Lifestyle, man. I'm out.